Company assets. HR keeps a register of every laptop, phone, vehicle or tool, who is holding it, and its full assignment history. HR adds a new company laptop, and fills in every detail. HR opens the asset and assigns it to a staff member. The laptop goes to Grace below. HR sets the issue date, a due-back date, the condition on issue, and attaches the signed handover form. The assignment history now shows Grace holding the laptop, and the signed handover form can be previewed right in the app. When the laptop comes back, HR records the return, its condition, and where it goes next. That is the asset register, every item tracked from purchase, through who holds it, to its return, with the signed paperwork attached at each step.